For decades, the internet has been designed around human users, browsing, streaming, clicking. Our patterns shaped its architecture, but that era is ending. The internet is undergoing a fundamental redesign. It's being rebuilt for machines. This is not a future concept. It's happening now. The biggest names in cloud infrastructure are leading this charge. Companies like Amazon Web Services, Oz, and Cloudflare are actively re-engineering their networks. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a foundational shift in how the internet's backbone functions. They are preparing for a new kind of dominant traffic. Why the overhaul? AI agents are the answer. These agents are moving rapidly from experimental phases into full-scale production. As they do, they generate massive amounts of internet traffic. This traffic is fundamentally different from human activity. It requires a network specifically designed for machines, not just people. Consider the difference. Human users browse websites, watch videos, send emails. Our interactions are intermittent, often visual, and have predictable latency tolerances. We click, then wait. Machines, on the other hand, communicate constantly, programmatically. They demand ultra-low latency, high throughput, and specific, often repetitive, data exchange patterns. The internet, as originally conceived, was not optimized for this machine-to-machine dialogue at scale. This redesign of cloud infrastructure means more than just adding servers. It implies changes to routing protocols, caching strategies, and data center interconnects. It's about optimizing the entire network stack for machine-generated requests and responses. This ensures AI agents can operate efficiently and reliably as they become pervasive. It addresses the scale and nature of non-human traffic. This impacts every builder and professional deploying AI. Your AI agents, once deployed, will directly interact with and rely on this new infrastructure. Understanding these changes is critical for optimal performance. It will dictate how you design agent architectures, manage data flows, and ensure the scalability and resilience of your AI systems. The foundational layer is shifting under your feet. So who needs to pay attention? Anyone building or deploying AI agents, infrastructure engineers, cloud architects, anyone who needs their AI models to operate at scale in real time and with predictable performance. This isn't a theoretical exercise. This redesign is already underway, shaping the environment where your AI will live. The internet is transforming into a machine-first environment. This paradigm shift demands new considerations for how we build and operate. The implications for AI deployment are significant and immediate. Stay informed on these infrastructure changes. They will fundamentally shape the next generation of AI applications and define what's possible.